Hi guys, have you heard of a fat burning mango smoothie? I'm sure not. People generally assume mangoes with a lot of fat gain, weight gain. They all say it's not great for you. But I'm here to show you that if you combine the right ingredients, okay, mango, a fruit like mango, which is on the sweeter side, which is on the higher carb side, can be used to make a good smoothie. Okay, so hi everyone, whoever has joined, thank you for joining. So let's get to making the mango smoothie. I'm going to quickly talk about the ingredients that I use. You could substitute any fruit. Not really meant for diabetics and people with high sugar and other such health conditions, but most of the people who do not have these conditions can incorporate mango. Of course, in a very measured amount. You cannot have 10 mangoes and then expect probably not to put on weight, especially if you lead a sedentary life. Yeah, let's not badmouth this awesome, amazing fruit. You can improve your immunity. It has loads of fiber. It has lots of antioxidants. It is high on vitamin C and vitamin A. And it is around just for 2-3 months of the year. So once in a while, even like half or one mango every day is fine to have. However, I'm going to show you how to reduce the insulin spiking or the bad effects, so to say, of eating this much sugar. Yes, it does contain natural sugar, but at the end of the day, sugar is sugar, whether natural or artificial. So let's just get to work. Okay, so I had started cutting a mango here. So believe it or not, I know how to chop things. So okay, before I start chopping things and doing things, I'm going to show you what all I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the flesh of one mango. This is Alfonso, this is organic and carbide free. So I'm going to use this mango. I'm going to combine it with my protein powder. Okay, so I use Big Flex protein powder. It's from India. I like to support local. It's of great quality. You can use a mango flavored one. I'm going to not enhance the mango flavor. I'm using their banana vanilla flavor, but you could use any flavor you want. I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm not recommending this brand. Basically what you can do is you can use any brand. However, this is the current brand, and as you see, I'm going to open the bottle. I have already finished my previous bottle. I'm going to be using cinnamon, okay, in the smoothie. I will explain about these ingredients, why I'm using them. They are not randomly chosen. They are chosen for a particular benefit, for their fat loss promoting properties. Finally, I'm going to be using isabgol or psyllium husk powder. A lot of fiber. I know mango has fiber, but a little bit of this always goes a long way in helping you manage your fiber intake. I'm going to be adding collagen powder. This is not for fat burning, but collagen is required for younger looking skin, for hair, for joints, for cartilage. So if you want to have it, it's not a bad protein to have. However, don't substitute this for this. This is actually required. This, if you want to have it, you can. I have seen that it makes a difference to my skin and hair, and that's why I have it. If you want the brands, please write to me. I'll be more than happy to share what I have. What else? I'm forgetting something. Yeah. Usually I make a green smoothie, guys, and I recommend it on my metabolics plan. Today I'm out of spinach, I'm out of lettuce, I'm out of bok choy, I'm out of any green leafy vegetables. Sometimes I use methi also, but I don't have it. So in that case I use this lean greens powder. This is by farm grade by One Herbs, and yeah, this has a lot of green leaves, of course, in a ground dehydrated format, but today I'm going to be using this. If you have spinach or something, you can always go for the real green leaves. If not, I use this. Okay, so let's make the smoothie. I'm using this Prestige NutriBullet here. Very useful for smoothies. It's really okay. Where is this thing? Yeah, this is the vessel, and it is very useful for smoothies. Okay, I don't add milk. I will add just plain water. So I'm going to be chopping the mango into this mixie. I'm going to make it quick. Usually I chop it in small pieces, but I'm going to make it quick and try to keep it very clean because I'm on camera and I don't want to waste this precious Alfonso mango. You could really decide the quantity of mango, okay? So for some people, even half a mango gives them enough taste. For some people, especially if you work out and you lift weights, you can go up to a one mango in a day. And I'm going to be explaining to you guys why I have chosen the ingredients I have chosen. It's all scientific, okay? You can also add chia seeds. I sometimes do add chia seeds. They are a great source of vegetarian omega-3. I'm going to not waste these things. I'm going to finish it off the old-fashioned way. Okay. I am from Konkan region of Maharashtra. So mangoes, rice, fish kind of runs in my blood. Alright. Here, so this much mango, you could say it's around 60 grams or so. Okay. After that, I'm going to take a little bit of water. Add just a little bit. 1 scoop of this protein powder. Basically what protein does is it slows down the digestion of the fast carbs, okay, like mango. And because of that, so what protein does is that what this fiber will do, so 1 teaspoon should be okay. I know how much 1 teaspoon is, so I'm not really measuring. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, simple, don't add it. Okay, I'm okay with these ingredients. Half scoop or 1 scoop of this greens powder. Okay. One scoop of collagen. This makes a difference to my skin and hair. I really have seen it. Some research says it doesn't make any difference. A lot of research says it does, but for me it does. So whenever I get a chance, that's not every day, I forget a lot. But whenever I get a chance, I do use it. Now I'm opening a new bottle of apple cider vinegar. So guys, whenever you buy apple cider vinegar, ensure that it is apple cider vinegar with the mother, okay? With the mother means it has the original protein component, it is unfiltered. Always shake and use it. And then I will put something like a tablespoon. Okay, so 2 cups of this, and yeah, I think that's going to be our smoothie. And then I cover this like this, simple. It's done. Really, if I'm not on camera, I simply take this like this, and this is how I drink it. But because I'm on camera, I'll be more presentable. I'll add it to this. You can add it to a glass. I like having it in a bowl. It's a little thick, okay? If you want, you can cut a few mango pieces and sprinkle on top. If you want, you could add almonds, you could add chia, but I literally can't wait to have it. I had a sip and it's really yummy. Okay, so this is a great afternoon snack to have. It really helps you manage your cravings because A, you're having a mango, B, you're having a good amount of protein. The Big Flex scoop contains around 23 grams of protein, which is equivalent to 100 grams or so of chicken or paneer. It's always a great idea to have protein. It has fiber, of course, from the mango. I also added isabgol powder, psyllium husk. It has cinnamon, which will slow down the spike of the blood sugar coming from the mango. It has this lean greens powder, will help on a lot of factors including micronutrients, immunity, etc. It has apple cider vinegar, which will again slow down the spike of blood sugar. It has collagen for your skin, hair. What more do you want from a smoothie, right? It has everything, and it tastes yum. So try the smoothie, okay? This is the Metabolics mango smoothie. Let me know if you like it. It will really help you lose fat all over the body, especially from the belly. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a live workshop on belly fat. I'm going to be demonstrating some exercises, some yoga kriyas, which specifically target the torso and the belly fat area. It's the bane of a lot of us, and do join in. It's a free workshop on my Facebook handle. If you don't know the link, please DM me and I would be happy to share it with you. I hope you make the mango smoothie. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something about the ingredients you can play around with to make a wholesome smoothie. There is a mango smoothie where you will just add mango, maybe sugar and milk, and there is this Metabolics mango smoothie. It's a whole, there is a big difference between both the smoothies. This smoothie will help you maybe burn belly fat, but it will definitely help you not put on more fat, okay? So try it and let me know. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Bye.